Hi guys, I'm in the BMW X4 G02, just replaced the rear brakes and the wear sensor. I'm gonna show you how to reset the service light. First, close the driver's door, don't open it, just hold it close. Then put on the seat belt, might be a little bit strange. Push 3 times fast on the start stop button. Now you're in diagnostic mode. Then what you do is just push the BC button on the left hand side to clear all the errors, and then you can hold the 0 button. Just hold it. Hold it. There you have it. Rear brake pads. Reset available. Press and hold again. Perform reset. Press and hold again. Resetting. Reset complete. That's it. Thank you. Guys, I just forgot to mention, some of you are performing the reset and it can be done. It's always a failure. Just try it with the parking brake off and then do the reset. It might work for you. Thank you.